Hi guys, Davao is really our family's favorite go-to place. We love visiting there whenever there's a holiday. The warmth of the people is just something else. So welcoming and kind. In October 2024, we went to Eden Nature Park. It was super fun. We got to try the zip lines, explore the flower gardens, went horseback riding, and enjoyed the playground and the beautiful scenery all around. We also got to buy mangosteen at its lowest price ever. Yum! Oh, and guess what? It was also the time we found out that my mom is pregnant with my baby sister, Madison Australia, the one who completes our family's puzzle, the one who we loved so dearly. I hope you enjoy my mini vlog, guys. See ya!